creating a stunning video with Flicky, an AI-powered journey. In a world where creativity meets technology, AI tools like Flicky are revolutionizing the way we make videos. Today, we'll explore how Flicky empowers creators to turn their ideas into captivating visual stories effortlessly. It all starts with an idea. Flicky helps you bring your vision to life. Simply enter a 1 or 2 word idea into Flicky and watch the magic unfold. In less than 2 minutes, you have a video in high definition. Flicky uses advanced algorithms to suggest relevant content from its extensive library of images, videos, and music. It understands your concept and helps you choose the perfect elements to tell your story. No more hours spent in complex editing software. Flicky's AI-powered editing tools handle everything, from trimming and transitions to color correction and text overlays, all tailored to your idea's mood and style. Flicky puts you in control. You can customize every aspect of your video, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your vision. Adjust visuals, add personal touches, and fine-tune the soundtrack to create a truly unique masterpiece. Once you're satisfied, Flicky provides a real-time preview, so you can see how your video will look before finalizing it. With a single click, Flicky renders your video in high definition and prepares it for publishing. Share it with the world on your favorite social platforms or download it for use anywhere you like. Flicky turns your ideas into captivating visual stories, unlocking the true power of AI in content creation. So, why wait? Embrace the future of video creation with Flicky and bring your ideas to life like never before. Get started today and let your creativity soar. Try it for free today. Link in the description.